The most common question that people ask is how much sunscreen to apply. We have been told many times to make sure that you cover all your face, but how much? How much quantity? So the rule of thumb is half a teaspoon, which is like 2.5 ml. But who's going to measure the size and portion of the sunscreen every day? So I'm going to show you how I apply my sunscreen on a regular basis to make sure that my face is fully covered. We have a lot of sunscreen that we can choose from the market, and it depends on what kind of skin type you have, what kind of skin condition you have, and you can choose the best one that suits your skin. Because nowadays we have a lot of sunscreen that we can choose from the market, and it's really a lot of fun to try out different sunscreen that works for your skin. Today I'll be choosing this sunscreen. So this is the first layer. I just finished my first layer, and now I'm gonna reapply a second layer because I want to make sure that the whole area has been covered and I have not missed any part of the skin. So let me do it again. And this is the second layer to make sure that I cover all the area of the face. So I've applied 2 layers of sunscreen, and sometimes I am done with this, but if I feel like I'll be exposed a little bit, I make sure that I apply another layer, which will be the third layer. I love this sunscreen. It's very easy to blend and absorbs easily into the skin. So to make sure that my whole face has been covered from UVA and UVB rays, I make sure that I apply at least 2 layers of sunscreen, and on other days I apply sometimes 3 layers depending on the day, but 2 layers is a must. And I make sure that I reapply after 2 or 3 hours every day. So I'm not going to give you an exact measurement, but just take an idea of how much you need depending on the size of your face as well. As you see that I try to make sure that I cover the whole face on the first layer, and again I did the same on the second layer and also for the third layer as well. So it's to make sure that we are applying the right amount of sunscreen, but the less you apply, it's not good for your skin. So for sunscreen, the more the better.